Let's say you run a metalworking company. Your customers around the globe expect your products to be of the very highest quality. In order to guarantee this, you need non-destructive testing solutions that utilize the very latest technologies. But at the moment, you just don't have the budget for it. So what can you do to safeguard your sales and increase your revenues over the long run? You need to learn about the Foerster Lifecycle Contract. It lets you use our Foerster test systems along with all the associated services for a flexible length of time. That's because we take the long view on the product lifecycle. You can also add more service modules as necessary. And there's no upfront investment required. You simply use the test systems at a fixed month rate that remains constant over the entire length of the contract. This way, with a 7-year term, for example, you save up to 70% of the purchase costs in the first year. And you can start taking advantage of your new test system as soon as the contract begins. Find out now about the Foerster Lifecycle Contract. Our test systems make your quality visible and your customers happy.